Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily set up chart accounts on QuickBooks. So all you have to do is head over to QuickBooks and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next is just click on the settings icon, then click on chart of accounts. You will be redirected in a page where you can see a list of all your accounts. And in the right corner of your screen, you should be able to see a new button. Just click on new. A new window will then pop up wherein you can create a new account. Here, it is essential to pick the right account name. Make sure that you choose a name or an account name that clearly defines the purpose of your account. Then we also have here the account type. You can choose from a variety of options depending on what type the account you're making. We also have here detail type. Usually, this will automatically be filled out depending on the account type that you will choose. You also have an option here to make this new account a sub account. And for more details, you can add in a description that describes the new account that you're going to create. Then once done, just click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!